Right now, millions of people are panicking, selling, losing money. But a small group of investors, they're still getting paid every single month. These are the 5 stocks they're holding, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. Market crashes don't hurt everyone equally. The people who get destroyed, they're in the wrong stocks. The people who come out ahead, they built their portfolio around one idea: get paid no matter what. That's dividend investing. And these 5 picks are crash-tested, income-generating, and proven over decades. Let's get into it. Number 1, SCHD. Boring name, boring ticker. That's the point. SCHD holds 100 of the most financially solid dividend companies in America: Coca-Cola, Verizon, Pfizer, all inside one fund. Since 2011, through crashes, a pandemic, multiple recessions, SCHD averaged over 14% returns per year. And in 2020, when the market was bleeding red, you kept getting paid, month after month, without stopping. That's not luck. That's by design. Number 2, VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield, ETF. While SCHD is about long-term quality, VYM is about income right now. It holds over 550 stocks. So even if multiple companies collapse at the same time, your income barely moves. That's not diversification. That's armor. This is for people who want to start earning immediately. Not in 5 years, not next year, now. And Vanguard, the company behind VYM, doesn't gamble with your money. They never have. Number 3, JEPI, JP Morgan Equity, Premium Income, ETF. This one is built differently. Most stocks fall during a crash. JEPI uses covered calls, a strategy that generates income even when the market is flat or going down. Right now, it's paying around 7 to 8% annually. Put that in real numbers. Invest $10,000 in JEPI today, and you collect $700 to $800 every single year, just from dividends, before the market even moves. While others panic, you cash checks. Number 4, KO Coca-Cola. Yes, the soda company. But here's what most people miss. Coca-Cola has raised its dividend every single year for over 60 years in a row. 2 world wars, the Great Depression, the 2008 financial collapse, COVID-19. Every single time, you still got paid. And the payment went up. Wall Street calls companies like this dividend kings. There are fewer than 50 in the entire market. KO is one of them, and it trades at a price almost anyone can start with today. Number 5, Realty Income Corporation. Official nickname, the monthly dividend company. Most stocks pay you every 3 months. This one pays you every 30 days. It owns over 15,000 properties across the US and Europe. Walgreens, Dollar General, 7-Eleven. Not luxury businesses, essential ones. People use them recession or not. And Realty Income has paid a dividend for over 640 consecutive months. That's 53 years, without missing a single payment. 53 years of you getting a check every single month, while markets rose and crashed around it. 53 years. Now let me show you what happens when you combine all 5. $200 per month, spread across these 5 stocks, with average historical returns. By 2031, you're approaching $18,000 in portfolio value. But here's what people forget. The dividends on top of that? You collect an extra $80 to $100 every single month, passively, for doing absolutely nothing. That's not a dream. That's math. Slow. Boring? Powerful. This is exactly how regular people with regular incomes retire early. And it starts with $200. So here's your lineup. SCHD, long-term growth. VYM, income, right now. JEPI, crash protection. Coca-Cola, 60 years of proven stability. Realty Income, a check every single month. You don't need to buy all 5 today. Start with 1. Even $50 in the right stock beats $0 in the wrong one. And if you want to be the kind of investor who keeps getting paid, no matter what the market does, subscribe to Dividend On. That's who we are here. See you in the next one.